I think I'm in a desperate need of barber's attention. Yeah, I need better tools. That's not a good thing. What's up guys, my name is Kamil and today I'm gonna show you how to replace this. This is how the strut looks like. You have to first undo 2 bolts right here and then those 3 bolts right here. Right here right now, and good thing it wasn't stuck there. It wasn't rusted. That gave me the opportunity to take it out easily. It actually, when I unbolted the 1 bolt, it kind of dropped, so it was pretty good for me. But I forgot the spring compressors, so I can't progress any further. I will take the damper, strut tower, whatever the MacPherson column out on the other side, and then I'll go get the spring compressors and come back to finish the job. Probably not today. Okay, the other one didn't. I'm back at the barn with a tools that I was missing, a new haircut to be more handsome, and I'm gonna get straight to work. Unfortunately, as you have seen, my tools are not doing well. I broke one. I kinda couldn't use the new one I bought. I gotta figure out a way to actually change the springs on this thing. I think I'm gonna end up taking struts to somebody who's gonna help me with power tools, like the impact gun, and that's the only way I can do this. I'm finally back with the struts, and I got helped from the mechanic that I know. He was very helpful, and I can finally mount them. As you can see, it's pitch black. I have only this light, so it's gonna be pretty dark, but I can handle it. Putting it back in was a lot easier than taking it out. Well, it's done. I will also have to do the other side, but you don't have to watch it. It's basically the same process that it was right here. So I'll do it myself, and I'll torque the wheels by eye and put the car on the ground. It'll be ready for the test drive. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Take care, stay hydrated, and drive safe, guys. Bye.